Hi, this is Rakesh and you watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix number keys are not working in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So let's start. Right now, as you can see, uh, my name lock LED is blinking, but still my name lock keys are not working. Okay, so you can see that it is not working right now. So today we will fix this issue. Just follow my steps. Right click on start menu, open settings. Once open, click on accessibility, left hand side, then scroll down. Now click on mouse option, this second last option. If this option is enable, make sure it is disable it. Now close and check. Okay, so let me open a notepad so that we can check the numlock keys. Okay, so it is working now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.